Good morning, students. Welcome back to your E.V.S class. Today we'll continue same chapter, lesson 1, parts of a plant. Last class, I already explained you that how the plant makes the environment green and what is the useful of the plant. That you also said to me that's all right. And we already learned the different kind of plants and parts of plants. There is, we can see in that picture, there is a parts of a plant like a root. It's where it is under the ground, and it's keep this plant fixed. It fixed the plant to the soil. Then we learned stem. Stem is above the ground. It is a brown, thick, and it is help the plant to stand in one place. It is a very strong, isn't it? And stem only bear the branches, and that branches we get leaves, flowers, fruit, birds, etc. And that flowers looks very beautiful. You can see in the next page there is a picture. You can see the branches of the plants bear leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. After that, we learned leaves. Leaves is a most of the leaves color is green, but sometimes we see the different kind of leaves and various types of leaf size and shapes. Like you can see in the picture, orange, green, red, yellow, light green, and dark green color also is there. After that, we learned what is a flower. Flower, it is a different shape and size, and it's look very beautiful. And this flower, we had a nice smell like rose and jasmine, isn't it? And this flower uses also is there. We can make a garland with the flowers. We can uh, when we do pujas and all, then we can use this flower. If any guest will come, then we'll make a what we make guldastana and give to the guest. So flowers has various uses of that. After that, I taught you about this fruit. Fruit is a main part, very special parts of the plant, because fruit is different color, different size, like mango, orange, banana, and fruits are very tasty, isn't it? And is a very rich in minerals. It keeps us healthy. Then we learned about the seed to plant, and very important thing how the plant comes in this world. Na? So first we see the sheets what we get from the food. Inside the fruit we had a sheet. That sheet if we'll put in the ground, and after that the sheet will get light, sunlight, water, and air from the mud. As slowly that grow up, come out up to the ground, and it is a become a small little plant. So my dear student, this plant after that is grow very big like a tree, and that plants give us what oxygen to breathe, isn't it? This much we learned yesterday. And today we'll start this activity sheet. You can see over here page number 3. Take the right word. Most plants have green or blue leaves. You know that most of the plants have a green leaves. Flowers like rose, lotus have a sweet smell. Then rose is a have a sweet smell, and we get the perfume of this rose plant, isn't it? And the third one, fruits keeps us healthy and unhealthy. Obviously, I told you fruit is a very juicy and it is a very tasty. We get lots of minerals rich in it. So we get a healthy when we keep. Then we get the stem grow above here under the ground. Stem is always grow above the ground, isn't it? And stem only bear the branches, flowers, leaves, etc. Isn't it? Now we can come to learn about types of fruits. Fruits have different types of fruit, my dear student. There you can see basic of number the seeds present inside the fruit, isn't it? Fruit के अंदर बहुत सारे seeds होते हैं. We can divide fruits in the 3 groups. 3 group में हम मोस्टली फ्रूट को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज दैट फ्रूट विथ वन शीट वाले फ्रूट्स जिसमें केवल एक ही दाने पाए जाते हैं. सेकेंड इज फ्यू शीट्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स मीन्स जिस फ्रूट में थोड़े बहुत बीज पाए जाते हैं. देन लास्ट इज अ मैनी शीट्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स दैट इज अ बहुत सारे बीज पाते हैं. First, we'll come to the one sheet of fruit. It's very easy, you know, mango, plum, and lychee. When you have this fruit, you can see inside the fruit there is a only one sheet. In सब fruit के अंदर केवल एक ही बीज होते हैं, isn't it? Then we'll come to the few shades. Few shade with few shade. Some fruits when we have there is a little shades for there, like chiku, orange, apple, isn't it? Because whenever we eat this fruits, we see it is very delicious and tasty, but and juicy also. And inside we can see there is a 2, 4, 5, 6 sheets are there. Small sheet we can see. That is a few sheets. Fruits with many sheet means lots of sheets we get the fruits. That is very, you know that when you eat a watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, there is a lot of sheets on this fruits. So my dear student, this is a type of fruits, but one is a one more kinds of fruit, that is a sheetless fruit we can say, isn't it? Then what is the sheetless fruit? There are some fruits with no sheet. Some fruits will we have that is a no sheet. That sheet has become very like smooth. We can have it of that, isn't it? Like banana and grapes, no sheet, seedless fruit we can call them, isn't it? I hope my dear student you have understood this chapter. So once we go into the recall on this plant of the parts of the plant, like first what we learn, parts of the plant, there is a plant, they have a different kind of parts. First we learn that root it is a under the ground, it is, and it is a fix with that soil, and it's keep that plant to stand in one place, isn't it? After that we learned stem is above the plant, above the ground. It is a green or brown color, it is a very thick, and its work that he can be strong, very strong, so that can, if any breeze and wind will come, then plant is not going to move from, and it can't be break, isn't it? And that stem only bears the branches, leaves, birds, flowers, and fruits that we are getting from the plants. Is it clear? Then we're going to learn about this branch. We had see the leaves mostly the green color, and different type of plants have different kinds of leaves, different colors of leaf, you have seen in your book. After that we see the fruits is a very juicy, there is a lots of rich mineral is there, the people can eat, and we get healthy fruits, healthy in a body, isn't it? And fruit have different kind of sheet inside. So what we learn about fruit, there is a three kinds of fruits. One is one sheet, second is few sheets, and third is many sheets of fruit. One sheets of fruit we learn that mango and plum, lychee, that is a one sheet of the fruits. This kind of fruit when we having, then we can see there is a only one single sheet. Okay. Then second we learn the few sheets like a mango, sorry, like orange, apple, and chiku. There is a few sheet, two or more than two, three, four, not more than that, isn't it? That is a called a few sheet, and that is a juicy fruit, isn't it? After that we went to the third one is a many sheets. Many sheet we can find out there is a lot of sheet in the fruit like muskmelon, watermelon, and papaya, isn't it? After that we come to learn about the flowers. Flowers is a very beautiful parts of a plant. Flowers it is different shapes, different color, different size, and we get the different flower has a different smells. Okay, that smell we can make that kind of flower like rose, jasmine, lily, this kind of flowers we can make a perfume, isn't it? And flowers has a various uses. फ्लावर्स का क्या है, बहुत सारे यूजेस भी है, लाइक वी कैन मेक अ गार्नर, माला बना सकते हैं, पूजा के टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस फ्लावर, कोई अतिथि आपके घर आते हैं गेस्ट, वी कैन गिव द फ्लावर्स एज अ गिफ्ट, किसी को हमें गिफ्ट देना होता है, देन ऑल्सो मेक अ गुलदस्ता, शादी वगैरह में भी फ्लावर्स की यूज़ होते हैं, डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज़ होता है. तो flowers have different kind, various uses of the flowers, isn't it? So I hope my dear student you understand that what is the plant, parts of the plant, isn't it? So you have to read this chapter and understand, and there is a one exercise in page number 3 that you have to do it, and page number 5 and 6 some exercises there I will send you. Please do it and send your homework in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.